Cordial greetings. My name is Natalia Angel, and today I'm going to share with you the workshop 3 called Pronunciation Practice. So to start, we can find here a first sentence where the idea is to identify the syllables stressed, which are in red. So the sentence says, the airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. And the second sentence is oriented to identify the words stressed in the sentence, which were marked with a line. And it says, the airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. Finally, we have here a paragraph, and it says, the moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the air. So thank you to listen me and see you soon.